In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to enhance your website's functionality. First, let's get started by heading over to wix.com, where you'll need to log into your account. This is the foundational step because once you're logged in, you'll have access to the dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your website management needs. Next, look for the option to edit your site and click on it. This will take you directly into the Wix editor, a versatile tool that offers a wide range of features for customizing your site's appearance and functionality. Once in the editor, a great way to make your website visually appealing is to add a pro gallery. To do this, click on the Add button, then select Gallery. Choose the Pro Gallery option as it's slightly more advanced than the basic gallery. This means enhanced functionality and a more professional presentation for your images. Simply drag and drop the Pro Gallery onto your page in the location where you want your categories to be displayed. Organizing content into categories is crucial for user experience. Each Pro Gallery album acts as a category such as food photography or events. You can set this up in a couple of ways, either with separate pro galleries for each category or one comprehensive gallery with filters. The latter offers a cleaner, streamlined look, allowing visitors to navigate seamlessly through different categories. Once your categories are established, customization is key for cohesion and attractiveness. Click on your gallery and then select Settings. Here, adjust the layout to suit your design preference. Options include grid, masonry, or slider views. Consider playing around with thumbnails or category preview images, titles, and descriptions for each category or album. Customize hover effects as well. These make for an interactive experience that visitors enjoy. To enhance user navigation, you'll want to add category navigation using filters or buttons. Turning on the albums view in the gallery lets your visitors switch categories effortlessly through a drop-down or tab menu. Alternatively, consider adding buttons or links that directly open to each category album, which can significantly improve access and encouragement for visitors to explore more. Lastly, you can fine-tune your website theme by matching colors, fonts, and hover effects along with maintaining consistent image sizes. Visitors appreciate a polished and coherent look. Making captions or category names visible also helps them recognize what they are viewing. Once you've set everything up, it's important to preview your work. Click on the preview button to see how your changes look and ensure everything is in order. After making sure everything is perfect, click Publish to make your website live for your audience to explore. To conclude, click Done as a final step to finish the editing process and exit the editor. With these steps, your website should now be both visually appealing and easy to navigate. Happy building!